My name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video, it's a little different. I'm not in my house, I'm not even at home. I'm down in Melbourne, and whilst I'm down in Melbourne, I've gone out of my way a little bit to try and find a fragrance that I've been trying to find for ages. I could have gotten it on eBay, but I just really didn't want to. And lo and behold, here we are. This is Nike Man Blue. This is the premium 200 ml edition, and you can find it in Australia for $10. It's the same price as the smaller Nike bottle as well. So obviously, if you're going to pick between one of the sizes, get the 200 ml. And yeah, here's what the bottle looks like. Just the typical Nike design. And the fragrance itself smells almost identical to Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultramale. Now, Ultramale is one of those fragrances that I haven't been able to find in Australia easily at all, and a lot of you guys that are commenting on my videos haven't been able to find it, readily available either. I picked up a bottle and I got it at a ridiculously cheap price, but that was like a once-in-a-lifetime deal. I think I paid like $40 for it, for like one of the proper 75 ml bottles, and at that price it's an absolute steal. Performance is incredible. It's got a juicy pear note, it's got vanilla, it's got a little bit of spice. And in the same vein, Nike Man Blue also has those identical Ultramale notes. Performance, from what I've tested, and I wore this yesterday as well, performance isn't quite on that extreme beast mode level that Ultramale is. However, it still lasts over 12 hours on my skin. And for the price that you pay, it is incredible value. Especially for $10. It doesn't get much better than this. This is going to be my go-to Nike men's fragrance from now on. I love the Ultramale DNA anyways, so the fact that I'll be able to save my bottle and just use this in its place, that's great. So for any of you people out there, for any of my viewers out there that have commented saying that they can't find a bottle of Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultramale, this is an absolutely stellar alternative, and I can't recommend it more highly. It just doesn't smell as cheap as it does. It doesn't even have like some of the notes in the Nike fragrances usually come across as a tiny bit synthetic and cheaper. Not this. This smells, to my nose at least, like Ultramale, and that's all I pick up. And yeah, so for $10, again, it's an absolute steal. I'll be back to doing like my regular videos after tomorrow, and I can't wait to make some more for you. I can't wait to do a proper review of this one. And I've got a couple of others that I've picked up based on some user comments and all of that. So if you're a regular viewer of the channel, just keep an eye out, because I've actually picked up a few fragrances and I can't wait to review them. So my name is Aussie Marcel. This is Nike Man Blue, and until the next video, I'll catch you guys around.